Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to set up an IRS payment plan so you can pay your tax debt in easy monthly installments. First, go to the official IRS website and open the Payment Plan or Installment Agreement section. Next, click on Apply for a Payment Plan and log in using your IRS online account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and verify your identity. After that, enter your personal details, such as Social Security number, filing status, and the tax year you owe for. Then review your total balance and choose the type of payment plan that fits your budget. You can select monthly direct debit or manual payments. Next, enter your bank details if required for automatic withdrawals. Make sure all information is accurate before submitting your request. Finally, submit the application. Wait for approval, and your IRS payment plan will be set up successfully. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.